This is the third time we've done this. Each time we do it, it gets bigger and better.
I think the open house is a great resource because there are organizations or agencies that you don't even know exist.
We've got so many different groups represented. You can come here and meet the fire department, the Apache Junction Chamber of Commerce, Gold Canyon Chamber of Commerce, the county attorney's here, the county treasurer's here, the Apache Junction Food Bank is here. We got animal control. We got Apache Junction Parks and Rec here, talking about the new dog park, which is right across the parking lot. We're networking, they're meeting each other, and you can also get questions answered. If you've got a zoning issue, you've got a whatever issue, you can get your answers here.
We're here to support Supervisor Serdy and his open house, and to be here to reach out to the community and let them know what the Pinal County Treasurer's Office does for the citizens of the county.
A lot of people still don't know what a county supervisor does. They're used to a mayor and council, which is the government within the city, but you've got Gold Canyon, Peralta that don't have any elected representation other than myself. Down in District 2, you've got 120,000 people in Santan Valley. The county supervisor is their representative. So that's why it's important. And we are the link. I don't always have the answers, but we can get the answers through these departments that are here.
I think this is the best thing for the citizens of Pinal County. You can show up and do all the business you need to do in one location. You don't have to drive 5 miles down the road to go talk to the planning department. You can come here, you can talk to your supervisor, you can talk to the planning department, you can pay your taxes, you can talk about assessment, your assessed values on your properties, all in one single location.
And we're so close to Thanksgiving and the holidays, we wanted to raise awareness of the food bank, which is in this complex as well.
Inflation is hurting everyone, but the population inflation seems to be hurting the most is our seniors that are on fixed incomes. You know, they've worked their whole lives so that they could retire, they could be living off of their Social Security, and that is fixed. So with inflation continuing to rise, they have to make that dollar stretch.
When the economy struggles, they struggle. People don't donate as much. And of course, people are struggling. They need your food and the help now more than ever.
There's two ways to give, right? You can give financially, or you can give physically. You're gonna buy a box of macaroni and cheese and donate it to the food bank. What I would recommend doing is giving financially, because our buying power is greater than your buying power. I buy it by the pallet load and I pay 29 cents for a box of macaroni and cheese. So your dollar goes further when I use it than when you use it.
And also Sheriff Lamb has a new program because we are the rural part of Pinal County, the rural issue. That's what the sheriff patrols, and he has range officers now. It's new that those officers are dedicated to being out on the range instead of pulling people from the urban areas like Santan Valley to go do that. And a lot of the complaints, a lot of the issues that we have here in my office are the outlying areas with illegal dumping, illegal squatting, that kind of thing.
I think it's nice to see all the departments come out to be represented, to take time out of their, what often is a very busy day with lots of things going on. Florence, is 20 miles down the road. Lots of people can't always make that drive to get to see the treasurer or the assessor or the supervisors, and it's nice that they have a location right here in Apache Junction.
My office is right here, the door is open, we have staff inside to answer. We'll take your calls, you can come and see us. If I'm not here, you can find out when I will be here, and we'll get the questions answered.